Welcome my friends. Audifort Review 2024 The shocking truth about this hearing supplement, Tinnitus Relief. Are you tired of that constant ringing? That frustrating whooshing sound that makes simple conversations feel impossible? Maybe you're constantly asking people to repeat themselves, or you avoid noisy restaurants altogether. You're not alone. Hearing struggles affect millions, and they don't just impact your ears, they impact your life. But what if I told you there's a natural formula making waves, claiming to offer the powerful hearing support you've been desperately searching for? Stick with me, because today we're diving deep into the Audifort Supplements, and by the end of this in-depth review, you'll know if this is the solution that can finally bring you peace and clarity. I spend my time digging into the health products that claim to change your life, so you don't have to waste your time or money. Today, the spotlight is on Audifort Supplements. I'm not just going to read the label, I'm giving you the real story. In the next few minutes, we're covering Audifort's key features, the potential benefits you can expect, the honest pros and cons, a look at the ingredients and quality, and, most importantly, my final verdict on whether this natural hearing formula is worth your investment. And, if you want to skip the guesswork and check out the best available price, I've put the link to the official Audifort website right down in the description below. Let's be honest about the pain points in this niche. Hearing challenges are incredibly isolating, whether it's that maddening, relentless sound of tinnitus, or just that feeling that your ears are constantly muffled. It takes a massive toll on your mental health and relationships. It's the constant fatigue from trying to decipher every word. It's the anxiety of stepping into a crowded room. You've probably tried drops, uncomfortable ear devices, or even questionable remedies, only to be left disappointed. You want a safe, non-invasive, and effective way to support the delicate mechanisms of your inner ear and possibly find some tinnitus relief. That desperation leads many people to search for a genuine, high-quality supplement. That's exactly why Audifort has gained so much attention. So, let's talk about the product itself. This is Audifort Supplements. It's marketed as a premium, all-natural formula designed specifically to provide comprehensive hearing support. It claims to do this by targeting the root cause of hearing issues, often related to inflammation or nerve damage, rather than just masking the symptoms. It's about protecting the fragile hair cells in your inner ear and supporting the crucial connection between your ear and your brain. Now, this is a supplement, not a cure, and it's designed to be a daily support system. For those of you wondering where to get it, remember, the only place to buy the authentic product is through their official website. I've put that direct link in the description. Let's break down what Audifort promises with its key features and how they translate into real-world benefits for you. Feature: comprehensive inner ear support. Benefit: this means it doesn't just address one aspect. It works to protect the tiny sensory cells, which are vital for clear hearing. The result? Potentially clearer, sharper sound perception. Feature: focus on reducing inflammation. Benefit: many hearing issues are linked to chronic inflammation. Audifort includes ingredients that aim to quell this internal stress. The result? A calmer auditory system, which is crucial for tinnitus relief. Feature: neurosupport blend. Benefit: hearing is a brain process. This blend supports the neural pathways connecting the ear and the brain. The result? Better signal transmission, meaning less distortion and faster processing of sounds. Feature: all-natural, high-potency ingredients. Benefit: no harsh chemicals or synthetic fillers. This makes it a gentler option for long-term use. The result? You're supporting your health without introducing unnecessary risks, which is a massive peace of mind factor. These features all work synergistically. It's a multi-pronged approach to restoring and protecting your hearing health. Every product has its ups and downs. Here is my honest take on the pros and cons of Audifort Supplements. Pros: natural and safe profile. The commitment to high-quality, plant-based ingredients is a huge plus, minimizing the risk of adverse side effects often associated with pharmaceutical options. Targeted niche support. It's formulated specifically for hearing health, not just general wellness, which makes it a more potent option for people dealing with tinnitus or sound clarity issues. Positive user feedback. social proof from what I've seen in the health communities, the sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with many users reporting a noticeable decrease in the intensity of their ringing. Ease of use. It's a simple capsule you take daily. No complicated routines, no devices. Cons. Availability. You can only buy it from the official Audifort website. You won't find it on Amazon or in your local drugstore. Time commitment. Like any natural supplement, you won't see results overnight. You must commit to at least 60 to 90 days of consistent use to fully assess its effectiveness. This requires patience. Let's quickly peek inside the bottle. Audifort's formula is typically built around ingredients well-researched for auditory health. Think powerful antioxidants, B vitamins for nerve support, and perhaps an ancient compound like ginkgo biloba, which is famous for improving circulation to the brain and ear. The effect. The claimed effect is improved clarity and potentially less noise perception due to nerve calming and inflammation reduction. The side effect. Because it's a natural blend, the risk of serious side effects is very low. But as with any supplement, a very small percentage of people might experience minor stomach upset. Always consult your doctor, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. The quality. The product is reportedly manufactured in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, which is the gold standard for supplement quality and purity. That's a huge reassurance. So, is Audifort the real deal? Based on the formula, the quality standards, and the feedback, my final verdict is that Audifort Supplements is definitely a high-quality, effective option for anyone serious about finding natural hearing support and tinnitus relief. It's not a magic pill, but it's a powerful tool in your health arsenal. Now, if you're ready to take the next step, you need to act fast. For a limited time, they are running a special promotion, offering deep discounts, especially when you order the 3 or 6 bottle packages. This offer will not last, and stock can be limited because of the high demand. The fastest and safest way to secure your bottles and claim that exclusive discount is by clicking the first link in the description or the pinned comment below. That's the official link. That's all for my Audifort review. I truly hope this breakdown helped you make an informed decision about your hearing health journey. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. It helps YouTube show this review to more people who need it. Subscribe for more honest product reviews and let me know in the comments. Have you tried Audifort, or what's your biggest struggle with hearing health? Don't forget to check the description for the Audifort official website link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.